Kublai pi baru kinigilongki kubor bamtagasngi. Chief Minister ke Jila Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma ula Pynrem juri ke jingjia besngausi bat bamla ban pediang ke belajar menhenin Rajapara ke bela wanra ke jingdu no ke wei ke mensim briu bat ke wei pat ke briu ke bela mensaujur. Haba penpau ke jingsngausi ke bakrau Chief Minister ula pa ke jingsngolem syakal longyeng bela du no ya lane ka bahayeng bat ula ong bakum kini ki kam jingye pher bat jingyap jingye di ki long ki ki bamla satya ban priang ha ka imlang salang ula pentim bagi pulit ka West Garo Hills kila le kloi hadin gate ka jingjia da kaba pelong ya bun ki jingya khenra ha ki jaka ba pher hadu menta laingut ki briu kila syakem bat ki pulit kidang beteng ban wat bat ban kem ki weipat ki badan benta ha ka ne ka kam bamman Chief Minister ula ongru ba menta kasngi Deputy Commissioner ula khot ye ka jingyalang bad ki khot ba pher jong ka imlang sa alang pat ba ban thau ye ka Peace Committee khnang ba onla ban ai ka jingya kran bnia ya baro ki mat jingya dei bad ban penbet ye ki da ka jingya trailang haba kentu ye ki pat ba ka Rajapara bar kishnong ba marjan Conrad K Sangma ula kyrpad ban penne ye ka jingsuk bad ka jingya long hapdeng ki pat ba ulama hamru yaki padba bakimdei bangen yaki khubor lamler bat jingya pin sapriang jingkran jingye pher haki social media henrei ban pentikna bha yaka jing shisha shaban ngen ne ban pin sapriang haba pentikna yaki padba Chief Minister ulo ong baki pulit bat ka district administration kila long gibla penkre pura bat kidangle yalaki kamram da ka jingle shitam ula pentikna ru bo on shim ki senjam ki beting bat baro ki badan benta ha ka ni ka kamrunar ken sa sha shitam kadkum ka at
Friends, yesterday there was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident that took place in Garo Hills, where one youth lost his life and one was seriously injured. We condemn this particular incident and at the same time express our condolences to the members of the bereaved family. Last night, the West Garo Hills police was very swift and multiple raids were made in different locations. 3 people have been arrested and the police is working tirelessly to find the rest of the people who were involved in this heinous crime. Today, the Deputy Commissioner has called different members of civil society to form a peace committee and to ensure that all related matters are discussed in detail. At this point in time, I would like to urge the citizens of Garo Hills that we must ensure that peace and communal harmony continues to be there in Garo Hills. There will be a lot of news that may be circulated in social media. Please filter them carefully. At this point in time, let me assure the citizens that the police and the administration is on its job, and we will ensure that strict action and all the people involved in this heinous crime are brought to justice.